whatever.
He doesn't know that.
Here we go.
I'm pretty sure he's
Here we go. HOBBYBOX604 back with another group break. It is group break number 512. It is our upper deck high-end mixer. We're trying our high-end mixer for the first time. See how it goes. Looks like people like it, so we might do more. These are the boxes here. I throw in some packs, freebies in there. Okay, here is after the team random. Chicago, Marks Cards 1029. Rangers, Shane C. Toronto, Josh P. Winnipeg, Sean Bruno. Montreal, Jamie C. Islanders, Bikram. Tampa Bay, Kevin S. St. Louis, Shane C. Edmonton, Cameron M. Arizona, Jamie C. LA, Carlos C. San Jose, Kevin S. Buffalo, Anthony H. New Jersey Devils, Cameron M. Philadelphia Flyers, Jamie C. Ottawa, Dino C. Boston, Patrice M. Anaheim, Martin L. Washington, Ernie D. Calgary, Ricky M. Minnesota, Sidney Reinhardt. Pittsburgh, Owen M. Columbus, Kyle N. Detroit, Larry C. Nashville, Everett W. Colorado, Ricky. Carolina, Cameron M., which was traded. Well, J. Mackey had it, but traded it with Cameron. Dallas Stars, Dom F. Vancouver, Patrice M. Florida, J. McKee. There you go, guys. Good luck, good luck. Let's go with the promo packs. Let's get some big hits. Base, base, base. For the Rangers, Flash of Excellence, Mark Messier. You did? I'll just put your hits here so we don't have to wait. That's a rookie. For the Senators, Matt Pumple. Blue, Phil Esposito for Boston. And Flashback of Excellence, Patrick Kane for Chicago. Pavel Datsyuk, another Datsyuk.
Wow.
Detroit.
He's on fire.
Blue, Patrick Kane for Chicago. And Jamie Benn for Dallas. Flash of Excellence, Rick Nash for the Rangers. Boo. All base. And Young Guns, Richard Panik for Tampa Bay. Okay, first box, Ultimate Collection, 1314, box number 881. For the Edmonton Oilers, number 27 of 499, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. For the Vancouver Canucks, Ultimate Rookies, number 156 of 499, Ryan Stanton. For the Nashville Predators, Ultimate Signatures from last year's update, well, 12-13 update, Chet Picard, Team Canada. Pretty sure he's still with the Predators. So that goes to Predators if he's still with the team. And number 17 of 299, Ultimate Rookies for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Bo Bennett. Second box, Ultimate Collection, 370. Next Sunday, we have 4 boxes of Select versus 4 boxes of Ultimate Collection. Team Select as well. It will be posted on Tuesday. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Hartford Whalers now goes to Carolina. 102 of 499, Ron Francis. For the Nashville Predators, Ultimate Rookies, number 289 of 499, Marek Mazanich. For the Philadelphia Flyers, nice card, signature masterpieces, Bobby Clark.
That's you, right?
Philly. And for the Detroit Red Wings, nice triple jersey, Ultimate Trios, 46 of 50, Henrik Zetterberg, Steve Yzerman, and Jimmy Howard. Well, we didn't have to use the light for this one. Next is 14-15 Premier Collection, box number 810.
Randy just has to.
These are really nice. Tasty.
Looks like we have a booklet. Yay, hit for Minnesota. 159 of 249, Zach Parise.
Yeah, that's what we thought.
Redemption.
Oh, could be a Goudreau, Klingberg. Who else is there? Duclair.
Okay, it is Premier Acetate Rookie Patch Auto to 299 for the Arizona Coyotes, Anthony Duclair. Or is it Rangers?
New York Rangers.
Is it Rangers?
That's a good one.
We'll double check the checklist, but
It's Rangers.
that is a pretty nice hit for the Rangers.
That's you, right?
Anthony
That's you, right?
Duclair.
Yep.
Double check that, but I'm pretty sure it is.
It's for the Rangers. Yeah, I got one.
For the Chicago Blackhawks, Rink of Honor, Steve Larmer. Steve Larmer for the Hawks. Next hit is
Wow.
nice patch. For the Buffalo Sabres, number 2 of 25, Drew Stafford. Premier Emblems. Drew Stafford. Nice patch on there. For the Edmonton Oilers, number 14 of 125, a jersey of Darnell Nurse. For the Stinky Leafs, Premier Rookies, number 121 of 299, Brandon Kuzon. And our last hit from Premier is number 96 of 249, just misses jersey by a couple, rookie of Evgeny Kuznetsov. Next is 15-16 Black Diamond. Box number is 708. Come on. We need to hit the light. We need to hit the light.
Quad Diamond, Zach Parise.
Exquisite Base, number 108 of 149 for the Dallas Stars, Tyler Seguin. We start with a black base, number 23 of 25. Sorry, black rookie, actually, for the Washington Capitals, Stanislav Galiev. 23 of 25 for Washington. There is Connor. Jumbo patches for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid.
That really doesn't deserve this.
Not bad for the Oilers. Who had the Oilers? Edmonton was Cameron. Next is a redemption. And it is Black Diamond Pure Black Signatures Auto to 99 for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall.
That seems to be a correlation there. I've seen that happen a couple times.
Yeah. What, the patch followed by the Taylor Hall?
Come on.
You were waiting for that too? And you got that patch in the same box, right?
Might have.
Yeah.
Ugh, come on, zoom.
What's that sound? Is it raining?
No, some of the
Let me grab my jacket out of the way.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
There you go. Taylor Hall. Next is a booklet. 42 of 299 for the Arizona Coyotes, Max Domi.
Auto?
Nope. Just a regular booklet for Arizona, Max Domi. And the last one is rookie, 26 of 399 for the Vancouver Canucks, Ronald Kennins. Okay, now we got to finish with a bang. Our cup. Serial number is 916.
Oh, looks like there's a booklet. Oh no, let me see. Yeah, booklets on the top. Yeah.
Okay, we start with number 2 of 249 for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. I think I saw that hit, and I think that is Ernie. Yep.
Nice.
For the Washington Capitals, number 114 of 249. Nice three-color patch, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Nice hit for Ernie and Tampa. Sorry, Washington. They were talking about Tampa. For the New York Islanders, number 13 of 50. Limited logos, three-color patch, Kyle Okposo. Islanders is a Bikram. Nice hit, Bikram. Denny would have loved that. Next hit is number 30 of 50, enshrinement's autograph for the Boston Bruins, Cam Neely. Boston, Cam Neely. 2 cards left. If you haven't had a hit, it's time to get one right now. It is a 1/1 printing plate. Timo Pulkkinen, rookie masterpieces for the Detroit Red Wings. Not bad. Not bad. And the last one is for the Columbus Blue Jackets, number 10 of 27, honorable numbers, Ryan Murray. Kyle in 10 of 27. So there you go, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us. And we are live every Wednesday, Sunday from 5 p.m. on Breakers TV. Make sure to check our website, HOBBYBOX604.ca, for all our breaks. Thank you and see you soon.